Global IP Trust, Presence. The Manta. This is the Manta. It is an enormous and revolutionary sailing boat that is taking on the devastating oceanic plastic pollution in a game-changing way. The Manta is designed and developed by the Sea Cleaners. It is notably inspired by the giant of the seas, the manta ray, that feeds on plankton and crustaceans by filtering seawater that it brings to its mouth with its cephalic fins. Like the manta ray, the Manta ocean cleaning boat propels itself by swallowing plastic waste, then transforming it and converting it into energy. This pioneering ocean cleaning and processing ship is designed to collect, treat, and repurpose large volumes of floating plastic debris present in highly polluted waters, along the coasts, in estuaries, and in the mouths of large rivers. In addition, the Manta will host other scientific missions on board, and when in port, it will hold educational and learning conferences for the general public. This cutting-edge project hopes to further advance technological solutions for waste management and repurposing, and for clean shipping technologies for greener and smarter ships in the future. It also aims to catapult the implementation of the circular economy in its areas of operation. The Manta is able to collect between 1 to 3 tons of waste per hour, depending on the density of the waste. The Manta's objective is to collect 5 to 10,000 tons of plastic waste per year. This involves extracting both floating macro waste and smaller debris from 10 millimeters and up to 1 meter deep. The Manta is able to operate for up to 20 hours a day, 7 days a week. The Manta is equipped with 4 corresponding collection systems. Waste collecting conveyors, which bring the waste on board, 3 floatable collection systems, 2 small, multi-purpose collection boats, and 2 lateral cranes. Every minute, 17 tons of plastic waste are dumped into the oceans, totaling between 10 to 12 million tons of plastic waste each year. This includes 80% of the marine pollution that comes from the land, mostly by way of rivers, essentially, just 10 rivers in Asia, Africa, and South America, which transport 90% of the total volume of plastic debris. The Manta hopes to change these grim statistics and ultimately help save the planet. For more information on the Manta, visit theseacleaners.org. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please share and subscribe for more.